Welcome back to Small World with David. Today we are taking a tour of my favorite stateroom on the Disney Wish. And while this room isn't a concierge suite, it's still one of the top options for a couple or a party of three looking for extra outdoor space and comfort. Welcome to room 8192, located at the back of the ship. This room isn't the largest, however it has a big surprise I will show you at the end of this video. You've got a comfortable queen-size bed here. Let's talk about the bed for a second. This queen-size bed is super comfortable. Disney online forums are full of people trying to track down the exact mattress used so they can upgrade their mattress at home. Above the headboard, each room features a beautiful piece of Disney art as a centerpiece of the room's theming. This will change depending on the deck and location of the room selected. Let's take a closer look at the bathroom, a distinctive feature of Disney cruise ships. It is divided into two separate sections, making it easier for multiple guests to get ready at the same time. This room features a shower tub combo in the first of the two bathrooms. The tubs are especially helpful to families with young cruisers whose nighttime routines include a bath. The shower is also a standout, with an adjustable shower head, and you'll find Disney shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. I stand 6 feet tall and had no trouble fitting in the shower. Both bathrooms feature shelving to hold your bathroom products. However, I recommend bringing a hanging toiletry bag to further extend your storage. Now let's take a look at the second of the two washrooms. This section of the washroom includes a nightlight at the bottom of the vanity and a fairly modern design. The countertop is fairly limited, but they do include a number of shelves for your storage needs. We noticed all the towels and sheets are of the highest quality. They're very soft. This bathroom also had a universal outlet that accommodates the international, European outlet, and North American outlet. Directly across from the bathroom, you'll find the wardrobe. In this first of the wardrobes, you'll find hanging storage, and they include 2 Disney branded bathrobes. The wardrobe is also where you'll find your emergency life jackets. Laundry service bag, and some empty shelves which are ideal for packing cubes. We can also find our stateroom safe in the wardrobe for any of our valuables like passports. The last section of the wardrobe has additional hanging space. The Disney Wish also has laundry service. However, they also have a laundromat on Deck 8. I'll be sure to include a detailed overview of the laundromat in my tour of the Wish video that will be coming up shortly. On either side of the bed, you'll find USB ports. You'll also find North American power outlets and European power outlets. This center features a desk, seating, makeup mirror, and additional storage. When doing repeated trips on the Disney Cruise Line, you become part of the Castaway Club. At the silver level, we got this cute beach bag. The desk includes some stationery, a pen, and some postcards that you can actually mail from the Castaway Cay private island. In this drawer, they're provided a hairdryer and also a mat to place your curling irons or straightening irons on. In this drawer, we find the refrigerator. Before boarding, you can even arrange to have beverages delivered to your stateroom. Here you can see our stateroom attendant had set up our room with the Disney Cruise Line comfort set. This is a pre-purchased option of the throw blanket and the Mickey Minnie pillow. Now let's head out to the veranda, because this is where this stateroom really shines. Stateroom 8192 has one of the largest verandas of any standard stateroom on the Disney Wish. First off, the size. This veranda is huge compared to the standard stateroom on the ship. You've got 2 comfortable lounge chairs for soaking up the sun, 2 regular chairs, and a small table, perfect for enjoying a drink or a meal outdoor. Disney Wish does have free room service. Because you're at the stern of the ship, you're not dealing with the noise and hustle and bustle of the main areas of the ship. This is a much more serene and private space. Some people are concerned about engine noise at the back of the ship. However, we didn't notice this on our Disney Wish cruise. It should also be mentioned that in rougher seas, cabins towards the front and back of the ship do tend to have more movement, so if you are prone to seasickness, you may prefer a midship stateroom. Honestly, I think this might be one of the best kept secrets on the Disney Wish. If you're booking a Disney cruise, definitely consider room 8192. If you're looking for comfort, great views, and some extra space without the concierge price tag. Comment below if you have a favorite stateroom on the Disney Wish or one of the other Disney cruise lines, and maybe I'll check that one out next. So that wraps up our tour of this stateroom. During our time on the Disney Wish, we experienced a back-to-back 2-cruise itinerary, staying in 2 different staterooms and even filming a bonus stateroom tour. These videos will be shared with you soon. Additionally, we'll be posting videos of all of our meals and a complete tour of the ship to provide our honest review of the Disney Wish. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can join us for the rest of this adventure.